Hey friends, in this video I will tell you how to create presentation with AI in single prompt. Go to your browser, type gamma.app, then click sign up for free. Sign up using your Gmail or any email account and follow these steps. After completing the sign up process, you can see the screen. You can paste your text or generate or input file. Click generate. You can create web page, documents or any socials. Select your cards. In free version you can select maximum 10 cards. You can also create in different languages. You can also give a single prompt to create a PPT, but I will show a secret method. Open ChatGPT and follow these commands. Type create prompt for making PPT in Gamma AI. Replace the topic with your exact topic name. And simply copy the text, paste it into the Gamma AI. Click on generate outline. It will create a outline for your PPT. Now you can select your theme. And you can also edit your image. You can give your image from file. Click generate. It will generate a presentation for your topic within few seconds. Now wait until the process is complete. It will also generate images inside the PPT. If you need PPT within a minute, you can use this tool. It is free. It will also create designs for your PPT. Everything will be perfect. After it created a presentation, you can continue these steps. You can also edit the text, titles, everything in this. You can customize everything as your preference. You can change the columns, you can change slides, you can also edit the text, you can add images. It is perfect for creating PPT. See the result here. and also you can export it as a PDF or PPT completely free. Click on the three dot, click export. See, there are so many options. We can export to PDF, export to PowerPoint, export to Google Slides. You can also export it into a LinkedIn account. If you have LinkedIn account, you can also export it on the LinkedIn. There are so many options here. You can also share this link. You can copy this code. You can use it in your projects, or you can also collaborate with friends. Also, you can select custom range for export the cards. You can type the how many cards you want to export. You can also save it in your system. That's it. If you found this video is helpful, and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.